Alright, so this is just a quick little video on putting together LVP flooring. The same rules will apply for tile. So because it's such a thin profile, it can be a little bit difficult sometimes to get the boards to snap together. It's a four-sided click. So what I've done is I've laid out the first row just snapping in the ends, which is fairly easy to do. It's always the second row that causes a little bit of a challenge. So I've taken my cut piece from the end of my first row. I'm just going to lock it in place there. And then because you're sometimes people try and put this in and this at the same time. That's a very big challenge. It's a lot easier to just go like this. When you put the long side together, just wiggle a little bit to get it tight. See, there's no seam in there. And I've left a little gap here on the end. Now what I've taken here is a sacrificial cut piece where I've got my my profile that will fit into the end here, because you never want to strike directly onto the profile, because this is what will happen to it. So we lock in the other piece there, and then we just tap it down until we get it nice and tight. And normally you'd have a square wall and it would go together a lot easier. There we go. Nice tight seam. And you continue on. Next piece, same thing. Lock it in. Maybe leave about an 1/8 of an inch space, just enough for the profile. Push down to make sure it's nice and in place. Lock in your profile here. A couple of quick taps. Just double check to make sure it's all good. And you're good to go. You just continue like that. And it's that easy. Eventually you may have to change this from any cut piece. So as soon as you start seeing the ends start getting a little worn here, you never want to damage this profile. This side you don't really care about. So that's it.